Hello everyone, hello! How are you? How are you today? I'm so happy to be here with you, okay? So let's start our class. Today we are talking about the farm animals and I have a new friend to show you. Kids, say hi to my friend. This is a pig. Look the pig. Pig. Let's repeat. Pig, 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 pig. Okay, guys, the pig is pinky. Pinky, the color pink, okay? I have another friend to show you. So guys, say hello to the duck. Duck. This is a duck. Duck, 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 duck. And the duck is yellow. The duck is yellow. Say goodbye, duck. Bye. Guys, another farm animal is the cow. Cow. Cow, 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 cow. And the cow is white and black, okay? All these animals live on the farm. So let's visit the farm with me. Come on.
Colors on the farm. Let's visit Farmer John on his farm today.
Hello, Farmer John.
We'll look for lots of animals and colors on the way.
Look, the cow.
Chubby pink pigs having muddy fun.
Funny pigs.
Little green frog beneath the yellow sun.
Look, the frog.
White fluffy sheep snacking on the lawn.
Hello, sheep.
Big red tractor. Hello, Farmer John.
Hello, Farmer John. Hello.
Little brown chicken in her hen house painted blue.
Look, the chicken.
Finding colors on the farm is really fun to do.
Goodbye, Farmer John. See you. Now, guys, listen the sound and tell me what animal is this, okay?